Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I took a short break because I had gallbladder surgery. Alhamdulillah, I am recovering now. And today is a very special day for me. I am starting my YouTube journey again with new hope and positive energy. So, this time I am beginning our 21 days English challenge. Every day I will share simple English sentences that you can use in your daily life along with a motivational message. The goal is simple: step by step improve our English together and stay motivated in life. So let's start with 10 very easy sentences you can use at home. First one is, I am feeling better today. Please give me a glass of warm water. I will take my medicine after breakfast. I need a short rest. Let's keep the room clean and quiet. Sixth one is, I will walk slowly for 5 minutes. Please remind me about my doctor's advice. I am grateful for your help. I will speak English for 10 minutes today. Step by step, I am getting stronger. So, practice these sentences daily, and soon you will feel comfortable and confident while speaking English. Thank you so much for watching day 1 of our 21 days English challenge. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And remember, success comes step by step. So let's continue this journey together. See you tomorrow for day 2.